everyone. Welcome. We have a really great topic today planned for you guys. So glad you could join us. I'm Annie, and this is Victoria, and we're from Moms Meet. And for those of you who don't know who Moms Meet is, what we do, go to momsmeet.com and you'll learn all about us. We are a large online community of moms who are passionate about raising healthy families. And if you join, and it's free, by the way, if you join, you can sign up to be a mom ambassador. And that means you can sample a lot of great Better For You products for free and give us your feedback, because a lot of the brands that we work with really, want to hear all of our moms' opinions and feedback. So we encourage you to join our website and check us out there. Today, we are bringing you an event by Similasan, makers of convenient allergy eye relief eye drops made with natural active ingredients. And we're talking all about allergy season.
Yes, which I'm sure like everyone watching this is like, oh my gosh. I don't know where you guys are watching from. Tell us as well. Tell us where you're watching from. Your allergy is really bad right now because we're in New Jersey. Allergy season is already in full force.
Yes, it's in full bloom. Yes. And so during this event, we're going to be talking about giving you guys some tips and tricks for allergy season. It's going to be really helpful. And we're going to actually have some representatives from Similasan joining us today. Not on screen necessarily, but they will be around to answer your questions and have a conversation with you in the comments. So be sure to watch out for that. If you do have any questions about these products specifically, make sure you post it in the comments today, and you'll be hearing from the brand. And also we have some really great prizes as usual.
We do. So you guys know that when you come to these events, we always have awesome prizes. So we're going to be having 5 winners today. So 5 people are going to win a Similasan prize pack, which is awesome.
Oh my goodness, I should not be touching this. I'll touch this one.
So the prize includes the Similasan allergy eye relief, just kind of the normal bottle of it, and it also includes, this is really great. They are just like one-use applicators. So these are really great for travel as well. And you don't have to worry, with the bottles. They always have like an expiration date. As soon as once you open them, they're only good for a certain amount of time.
Right.
This is really great because it's just one use, so you don't have to worry about opening the whole bottle and then wasting stuff. And then you also will get kind of like an allergy survival pack.
Oh my gosh. I need that.
Right? It has some tissues, some wet wipes, and also a glasses cleaning cloth, which I clearly always need as well. So it's a really, really great prize.
And how will moms be able to win?
Yes. So let us know what are your tips and tricks to survive allergy season. So we're going to be giving you some of our tips, but we want to know what your tips are as well. Everyone has like a different game plan of how they get through allergy season. And if your allergies are all year round, mine are. So I'm sure you guys have really good ways that you deal with your allergies. So comment, like, and share as well for chances to win. And we're going to be announcing winners tomorrow at 3 p.m. Eastern. So 5 people going to win this awesome prize.
Yeah, and we actually already are getting a lot of comments. Everyone chiming in about how bad allergy season is and how this is a really good topic. So, okay, so here are our tips. And these are kind of, I think, the way to describe this is these are kind of like almost basic, simple tips, but sometimes you just don't think about it.
Absolutely.
It seems like an obvious thing, but it's really, really helpful. So let me share with you a little bit kind of about my allergy story. I don't know if that's the right way to say it, but
our struggles with allergies.
I've had allergies all my life, and I basically have year-round allergies, which is so annoying.
Yeah, it's the worst.
and I'm allergic to cats. I'm
Yep.
allergic to everything, apparently. So for me, this was such a good topic to talk about, because I'm always looking for what can I do to help me get through the season. So basically, you know, for me, not only do I deal with it, but my entire family deals with allergies, unfortunately. So I have, so for example, my oldest daughter, Ella, she, whenever it's, you know, time, you know, this time of year, she always has to carry around eye drops.
I do the same thing.
Do you?
I carry eye drops in my purse every single day.
Yeah, it's just like a necessary
Every
part
day.
of like.
Yeah, I actually
Your
carry
life.
these eye drops.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I was really excited when we found out we were going to be working with Smellstand, because I have been using this product probably since I moved here.
Oh, wow.
I've had allergies randomly since I was like 16. So my allergies just started out of nowhere.
Yeah.
And when I was living in England, I just kind of had like hay fever allergies, so like grass and trees. But since moving here, my allergies have got so much worse.
Oh, man.
And they're year round. I don't help myself out here because I'm allergic to cats and I have 2 cats.
Okay, so that's your fault.
But I did an allergy test at my doctor's office a couple of years ago, and it was crazy. You know, and they like do like the skin prick. Oh my gosh, my arm was just blew up. It was just like every type of tree and grass and cats. Apparently, and horses, which is like a really random one. I never would have known that.
So you'll never be able to own a horse farm or anything like that.
But yeah, I have really, really bad allergies, and they're all year round. So it sucks.
Yeah, for those of you who don't have allergies, honestly, I envy you. But
you know what it feels like to be able to breathe.
Yeah,
clearly.
exactly. Okay, so here's our first tip. All right, we came up with 5 quick and easy tips. First tip. Wear hat and sunglasses outdoors to protect your eyes from allergens.
Yes.
All right. So, I mean, of course, when I wear hats, it's just for like accessorizing myself.
Yeah. So like I wear glasses, so I'm always wearing sunglasses outside, prescription sunglasses.
Yeah.
And I never thought about that
I never
helps.
thought either. Yeah.
But it makes total sense.
It does. It
Your
does.
eyes are covered.
Yeah.
And then the hat thing also makes sense. Yeah. I need to start wearing hats.
So I told you simple tips, but it actually does make a difference.
Absolutely.
All right. Keep your windows closed. So this is a bummer because I do like opening my windows, but I totally agree with this one. Keeping your windows closed, it makes all the difference. You know, use central air, you know, with air filtration, of course.
Yeah. So, I actually, I have an air purifier as well in my apartment, and I feel like that helps. Okay. Definitely. I have one. I need to get like a bigger one for my like living area, but I have one in my bedroom, and that definitely helps. Yeah. The first night I had it, I woke up and I felt like so much better, and I was like, huh. Yeah. Yeah. This makes sense.
Yeah. Definitely. Definitely. All right, and then the third one, remove your shoes and change your clothes after wearing them. Yeah. Now, this is funny because I actually, I am of Asian heritage. I grew up in Korea, South Korea, and the entire country takes off their shoes before going. So for me, it was like, I already do that. Yeah. But I'm very thankful that is actually a really good tip here. So you guys all start taking your shoes off when you get home. Yeah. Plus, it'll keep your house cleaner. Yeah. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I've always done that. Always taking my shoes off. My parents are like sticklers for it. Yeah, You never go into your house. Even when I'm at other people's houses, I never take your shoes off because I feel like weird walking around someone's house in my shoes.
I think we should just all I don't know. I was actually going barefoot in the office today.
Oh yeah, I do it all the time. All the time.
But that's just a personal preference. But changing your clothes after wearing them. So think about it. If your kids are outside, they get all this pollen on them, they bring allergens home, have them take their clothes off, or not take their clothes off, but have them change their clothes. Yeah. But also, side benefit, they get all the germs off of their clothes that they wore to school. Yeah. So that's always helpful.
Absolutely. Yes.
Okay. And the next tip, number 4, shower before bed. Before bed.
This is a really good one. Yeah. I remember when we were putting this together and we were doing run-throughs, I was like, wow.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm like, I didn't think about that.
Yeah, because most people like typically showering in the morning.
Yeah, I shower in the morning.
Right, but it makes sense. So you can, obviously allergens can stick to your skin and your hair, transfer over to your sheets and your pillows.
Yeah.
So, I mean, again, it's like, seems like it's common sense, but I never really like put it together.
Not at all, I know.
So
yeah, that's a really, really good one.
Mm-hmm.
And our last tip is actually going to be using Similacin Allergy Eye Relief.
Yeah.
So as I said before, I've been using this product for a few years. I get really bad allergies. I get really bad reactions with my eyes. Definitely the cats don't help. But
the cats are your babies.
They are my babies.
You can't get rid of them. So.
Yeah, they're my babies. So I get really bad allergy reactions in my eyes. It's usually just like my left eye. It's really weird. I don't know what the reasoning for that is. Does anyone know? Does anyone out there, like a doctor, like this is really weird? I get allergies in one eye, but not the other as much. But if your allergies give you a really itchy, watery eyes, which is exactly what I suffer from, you can get really good relief from Similacin Allergy Eye Relief. I really love this product because it has natural active ingredients. So a lot of traditional over-the-counter allergy medicines use allergy drops, use chemicals such as vasoconstrictors. So vasoconstrictors constrict the blood vessels in your eyes, and they can cause a rebound effect if overused. So if you have a more kind of conventional allergy eye relief product at home, eye drops, if you look on the side of the bottle, it probably tells you don't use for over a certain amount, like and over a long period of time, because your eyes just kind of get used to using it. So if you stop using it, you can have problems.
I see.
But you don't get that with this, which is amazing.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so they have these eye drops do use natural active ingredients to relieve allergy symptoms instead of using harsh chemicals. You can use it as often as you need, and there are no known side effects or contraindications. So that's good. So yeah, amazing product. I love it. I've been using it for ages. It's usually sold out at my local CVS.
Oh, is it? Okay.
It's clearly a very popular product around here, which is no surprise because allergy season in New Jersey is killer.
Yeah, you know you can buy this online on their website. So.
Yes, I'm gonna need to start doing that. I need to be buying it like in bulk, honestly.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So we really love Similacin Allergy Eye Relief. The brand has been around for over 35 years. It's based in Switzerland, and they're actually the #1 eye drop product there, which is really good to know. Okay. And we found out some really cool background stuff about the company.
Yeah, this is cool.
So they started as a pharmacy that was ran by one guy. He was trying to make a hay fever relief product for his friends and his family, and it was super successful, and everyone kept asking him for it. So he made it into a company. And the original pharmacy that this was made at still exists in Switzerland, which is really cool.
Yeah, that is very nice.
And they are kind of like super family based. They have their formulator Carlo makes all the products, which is really cool that everyone in the company knows who the formulator is, which I just like really awesome.
Carlo is a cool name too.
It is, yeah. I'm assuming maybe he's Swiss as well.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Maybe we get to go one day.
I know. Yeah, let's catch some else.
Yeah, let's do that.
I just come home with a whole suitcase just full of it. So the natural active ingredients in Similacin are eyebright and sabadilla lily flowers. So eyebright is also called euphrasia, and it helps temporarily relieve minor symptoms such as thick mucus or watery discharge, which sounds gross, but I am so well versed in this. It's really gross, but it's the worst.
A lot of people can relate with you.
It helps with redness and swelling of the eyelid, which is exactly what happens to me. So it's really frustrating. If you guys go through it, you know it's the worst, and this really does help. And the sabadilla in this also temporarily relieves symptoms such as watering eyes and eyelid redness as well. So it has all these natural active ingredients that are going to help this rather than the harsh chemicals. And it doesn't contain antihistamines or vasoconstrictors either.
Nice.
Yes.
Very nice. All right.
There's a lot of information that we just gave you.
I know, but I mean, it's important that you guys know that this safe, family-friendly product. That I mean, you've heard from Victoria. She is, she is a hardcore user of this product.
Seriously.
So,
Yep.
but yeah, I mean, we're actually getting a lot of really great comments. I can see that you guys, there's a lot of people out there that can relate to what we're talking
Yes.
about. And I see that you guys are all sharing your own tips during allergy
Good.
season.
Yay.
Please keep sharing, because I think obviously there's more than just 5 tips.
Yes.
It'd be great for us to help one another. And I know, like, when I'm done with this, I'll probably go read all the comments and get some more tips.
Oh yeah,
myself.
we sit reading everyone's comments.
Yeah, we love it. So thank you. And of course, the more you guys share and the more you guys participate, the more chances you'll get to, for a chance to win.
Yes.
So just so you know, our mom ambassadors at Moms Meet are actually sampling this product with their group. So keep an eye on that, because if you go to our product reviews page, you'll see what our mom ambassadors are saying about this product. So, I mean, you obviously, we're trustworthy. You can trust us when we say this product works.
It does.
But it's another thing just to go to our website and see, all these other moms telling and sharing their experience.
Absolutely.
And if you want to purchase the product, then make sure you go to their website, simulasonusa.com/where to buy. So simulasonusa.com. And we can post the link on the video afterwards. So again, remember to keep sharing and liking. And I think that's all we have for today.
Yeah, and I'm going to go order this online.
Yeah, I know. That's
so
the next step.
I instantly have it.
Exactly. So, well, thank you so much, everyone, for joining us, and hope you have a great spring day. All right. Thanks.